How to recall mail in Outlook. Firstly, open Outlook. Launch the Outlook application on your computer or log into your Outlook account through your web browser. In Outlook, sent emails are stored in the sent item folders. Locate this folder in the navigation panel on the left side of the Outlook window and click on it to open it. Scroll through the list of sent emails in the sent item folder and find the email that you want to recall. Once you have located the email, double-click on it to open it in a separate window. Now, depending on the version of Outlook and how it's configured, the recall option may be located in different places. Look for a menu option or button labeled Action, More Action, or Messages in the toolbar at the top of the email window. Click on the appropriate menu option or button to initiate the recall process. A drop-down menu or dialog box may appear offering you different recall options. These options typically include delete unread copies of this message and delete unread copies and replace them with a new message. Choose the recall option that best suits your need. If you select delete unread copies of this message, Outlook will attempt to remove the emails from the recipient's inboxes before they read it. And if you select delete unread copies and replace them with a new message, Outlook will delete the original email and replace it with a new one that you can edit and send. So this is how you can recall mail in Outlook. I hope this video was helpful, and that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.